Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with Index Nifty. Index opened with the gap down by more than 80 points at Friday's trading session. Eventually, it went on to cover up the gap, but in second half, it failed to carry its bullish momentum and gave up all its gain. Index went on to close in a red zone. For now, index is hovering around the support of 100 EMA, which lies around 14,170 levels. On the other side, index needs to trade above 14,580-600 levels in order to gain the bullish momentum. So 14,170 and 14,600 will be acting as an initial support and resistance level. Unless there is a breakout on either side, we expect index to remain in a broad range of approx 400 points. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. A similar kind of movement could be witnessed in Bank Nifty as we have witnessed in Nifty. Index opened with the gap down by approx 300 points, but eventually it went on to hit day high. In second half, it failed to sustain at top and gave up all its gain. 100 EMA will be acting as an initial resistance level, which lays around 32,100 levels. Index needs to close above the resistance level to resume its journey towards the north direction. 30,400 will be acting as an initial support level. If it fails to sustain above that level, then we can expect index to move towards 30,000 levels in coming trading session. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Media Index. So the index has shown a smart recovery from the important support zone, forming a strong bullish candle on a weekly scale. Post breakout from more than 2 years of a downtrend, index has been consolidating in a range of 1,380-1,830 levels. A divergence could be witnessed along with the bullish signal, which indicates a possible bounce back from current level. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to talk about is Jyoti Labs. On daily scale, stock has bounced from the horizontal support level. A good volume could be witnessed on a bullish candle, indicating accumulation of stock. Stock has breached the resistance of a 20 EMA and it has just closed above those levels. RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So stock above 150 levels, we expect continuation of a bullish momentum and move towards the 160 levels in coming trading session. Moving on towards the second stock, that is M&M. On daily scale, stock is moving inside the falling channel. Stock is forming lower low, lower high formation. It continued to trade below 20 EMA, indicating continuation of a bearish momentum. RSI is moving towards the south direction with a negative crossover, indicating weakness in stock. So we expect stock below 780 levels to move towards 700 levels in coming trading session. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.